Good morning you all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level of a Mercedes C Class 2006 model. This one doesn't have an oil stick, so you have to check it manually from the instrument cluster. I'm going to show you how you can do it that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, the ignition must be on the second position. Then we have to find the total mileage or the odometer of the car by scrolling through the menu. You find this one. Once you are here, there's a very simple trick. You have to press this arrow down button once, and once you see that, it's now measuring the oil. And it says that the oil level is okay. You don't have to start the car. So once again, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, find the total mileage of the car, this one, press the arrow down button once, and you'll see that it's measuring now. Yes. Another tip I can give you is, if it says that the oil level is too low, add 1 liter. You start with adding a half a liter. Otherwise, you'll get problems by adding too much. We have discovered that with this type of cars, if you add 1 liter, then it says that it's too much, and you have to take the oil back out, and that's more a problem than putting the oil back in. Thanks for watching. Have a look at our channel for other videos. We have more than 300 other videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.